Late last night, my office filed complaints against 3 Macon hotels and their owners. We're asking that a judge declare each property a public nuisance and to take action. These complaints stem from the multi-agency Operation Extended Stay investigation and other associated investigations. Before I go any further, please keep in mind that the hotels, their owners, and others named in both the civil complaints and any associated criminal cases are considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Complaints to abate public nuisance were filed against the following hotels: Castlestone LLC, doing business as America's Best Inn and Suites, located at 4991 Harrison Road, and its owner, Nitin Shaw. The Patel Company, Inc., doing business as America's Best Value Inn and Suites, located at 4951 Romiser Drive, and its owner, Chintan Patel. And Hirarashmi Hotels Group, Inc., doing business as the Econo Lodge Hotel, located at 4709 Chambers Road, and its owner, Dilip Thakar. The complaints allege that the defendants have allowed, participated in, and condoned their properties being not just an annoyance to the public, but they are manifestly injurious to public health or safety. The hotels are well-known centers of frequent criminal activity, including theft, robbery, human trafficking, drug possession, drug trafficking and distribution, and other serious crimes, including rape, vehicle hijacking, shooting, and as recently as last month, murder. The complaints list 46 individual incidents, investigations, or arrests at the hotels that support the request for injunctive relief to end the nuisance behavior. While we never want to interfere with a lawfully run business, we will not allow anyone to act as a safe harbor that allows or even encourages an atmosphere of crime and lawlessness. No person, be they a member of our community or a stranger passing through town, should have to worry about whether they're safe while they're staying at a local hotel. Due to the still pending nature of the civil and criminal cases, I'm limited in how much more I can say. Keeping that in mind, are there any questions? Okay, all right, thank you so much.
Could you
Yes.
read, we're going to see what you've read.
Yes.
I was trying to listen and all, but that's what we do.
Sure.
But is there can you talk about the first part of it, what it is you're seeking?
Sure. So we're asking the judge to make them act better, whatever that takes. And the judge has broad powers in a case like this to make a nuisance stop. I mean, he can basically shut them down. He can make them take whatever action is necessary to stop this behavior.
The measure that you're bringing as a DA, though, is this considered a civil matter, though?
This is a civil matter. This is one of the few civil powers conferred upon the DA. But we take it very seriously. I mean, you heard how many incidents, and Joe, I know you're familiar with these hotels. There's no way you can report on crime and not know about all 3 of these hotels. And it just got to the point where enough is enough, and we're not going to allow anyone to profit off criminal behavior. Any other questions?
No.
Okay, thank you, folks.
Thank you.
You guys haven't padlocked these places. But
No, but I'm not going to foreclose that possibility. We're going to do whatever it takes to bring these owners in line. We're not going to allow anyone to profit off criminal behavior.
so punitively, though, how does this look if I'm the operator of Hotel Z?
That means you get right or a judge can shut you down.
I see.
So get right, take whatever measures are needed to make this behavior stop.
So this is a stern warning in essence at this point.
It's more than a warning.
Yeah.
It's an accounting. It's time to be brought to account. Any other questions?
What was it that brought you to do this?
The 46 incidents.
I mean, was there at some point, was the murder a couple of weeks ago involving Ms. Weiss certainly.
If there wasn't a straw that broke the camel's back, that could be one. But quite frankly, even before that murder, we had been looking into these for many months. This is a result of an ongoing multi-month investigation into these hotels and their behavior. We began looking into this last year, many months ago. Obviously this isn't the kind of suit we bring every day. This is the first one I know of in memory in this jurisdiction. But I saw that this was a remedy that we could use, and I just had it up to here with people making money off breaking the law, and for people having to live in fear. I mean, imagine if you're driving from Florida on your way back to Atlanta, or if you're coming to visit loved ones here in Macon, and you see a good deal in a hotel, and you book it, and then you find it's just a haven for crime. People should not have to worry about getting a safe night's sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is something that everybody thinks about when they go to a hotel. But being safe, that's the kind of thing that keeps you up all night. Any other questions?
Yeah, to follow up on that, what really people don't understand is that part of the city, 475 is really the main interstate for people going north-south. They don't typically venture off, for the most part, over to this side. So that really is Macon's welcome mat. And what we've got over there, and that's just me talking, is a troubled area where most people think this is Macon.
The welcome mat needs to say welcome, not beware.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Okay, thank you, folks.